So, good day. So, today we will be making a visualization for H&M sales data for 2019. So, let's start. So, we are gonna start by clicking the tree mark, which is located here. Then we're going to make it bigger. Then after that, we're going to click tree here in the field section, which is the category, discount, and subcategory. So after that, we're going to put the category in the group section, which is already here, while we're going to put the count of subcategory in the values section. And then after that, we're going to go here in the format panel. Then we're going to on the data labels. Then after that, we're going also to on the category labels, which is located here. And then after that, we're going to increase the text size of the data label, which will be 12. Then next one is the title. We're going to put the title, which is count of subcategory and discount by category. So we're going to align it in the center, and let's make our text size into 20. And then let's put it into Arial block. Then after that, we're going to increase the category labels. Then that's it. So this visualization will help us identify how many are in the subcategory and how much will be the discount for the category presented or sold in H&M. So for the next visualization, we'll be making um, H&M's top products per quantity. So the first step is by clicking the stock bar chart. We'll be using the stock bar chart, and then the next step will be clicking the category and sales. So this will be the table for sales by category. So next one is we'll be creating another chart which will include the sales by subcategory. So how are we going to do it? So we're going to check sales and subcategory. Yes. Then after that, we're going to click the slicer for the quantity. Since this visualization is all about H&M's top products per quantity. So we will be clicking the quantity here in the fields pane. Then you can see here there is a arrow down. We will be clicking it and click the list. Yes, that's right. Then after that, let us put a title. So we'll be clicking the text box. option here. So we'll be putting H and M's top products. I think we're going to make it at least 20 so that it will be visible. So let's move it here. Let's move it here at the top. So after that, let us just edit uh, some of the colors of this table. So let's go to the format section, then data colors. So let us on the show all and then click on the footwear. It's up to you what color do you like for it to be visible enough and presentable enough. And for the sales and subcategory as well, data colors, show all, then just click orange and blue. So that's it. This is for the visualization for H&M's top products per quantity.
In this visualization, I will be creating a waterfall chart which will be showing increasing and decreasing of sales by zone and category. And to start, go to the visualization pane and click the waterfall chart. And in the fields, click the zone, category, and sales. After that, click this visualization, and for more options, I will sort that visualization by sales and in its ascending form. This will be the result of the increasing and decreasing of sales by zone and category. For this visualization, I will create a relationship report. And to start, go to the visualization pane, click scatter chart, and in the fields, click category, subcategory, sales, profit, quantity, and country. This will be the final outlook of the relationship report.
For this Power BI line and clustered column chart, first, click the second row in the fifth column of visualization. 3, 4. Expand it and drag and drop the state from field section to shared access of visualization. State. Next is to drag and drop the category from field section to column series of visualization and followed by the sales to column values. And lastly, the profit field section to line values of visualization and And there you show the profits of every state of United States of America. Having some to change data colors, go to Format and General, Data Colors. Let's change violet to, what's this, profit to green. Make it more positive. Accessories to yellowish. And on the data labels. To see the labels of sales and profit of each states, go to shapes and on the shade area to see how big the increase and decrease of the profit of each states from category to category. Let's go to title and sales and profit by state and category, center alignment, change text size from 14 to 25. Let's make it 25. And font family to Arial Black. Probably let's change the font color. No, let's take that. And and that is the visualization for line and clustered column chart showing the sales and profit by state and category. For this Power BI line chart, first, click the first chart in the second row of visualization, expand. Drag and drop the sales from field section to values of visualization, followed by the state from field section to the axis in the visualization section. Next is to sort the data by state. Click on the three dots on the upper right corner of the chart and select the sort by and choose Sort by State. To see a comparison from sales, let's add a secondary value, drag and drop the profit from fields to the secondary values section of visualization. And lastly, let's do some quick formatting to this Power BI line chart. Click the chart and then format. Click the y-axis and change change the scale type linear to log. There you go. And then let's go back to general and let's go to shapes. Stroke, let's increase the stroke to from 3 to 5. Change it to dash. Show marker. Hmm. Let's make it 2 width of stroke. The title, let's change how it's on. Sales and profit by state. Font color to black. Center alignment and the text size from 14 to 25. Let's make it 30. And then black. And that is how you show the sales and profit by state using a line chart of Power BI.
Hello, I am Shaw, and today I will illustrate on how to determine the top sales of subcategory products of H&M using the Power BI. First, we will load the data saved from the desktop to the Power BI and use the Excel dataset of H&M. After loading, in order to determine the top sales of subcategories of H&M in each zones, I will click the Sales onto Fields pane and then Subcategories and then Zone. Want to maximize this. Next, in order to be more comprehensible, I will be using the stock column chart in the visualizations pane and at the format icon below the visualizations. We can customize the report through general, legend, x-axis, y-axis, and more. Depends on what you are aiming for the report. And last, I will be adding a title to this report. In this case, we select the text box in the insert and customize it on how large and the borders and the fonts are. Wait. Mm, okay. And then we put the title here. Oh, first we can adjust the font. Bold. Mm, Top sales of subcategory category products of Asian um H&M through the zones of USA. Um, 4. That's it. The next part is now we'll identify what shipping mode of H&M does the quantity of products preferred on each zone in the US. We will use the same Excel dataset I've loaded earlier. First, I will select the quantity on the fields. Next is the ship mode. And last is the zone. We maximize it again. Leave a space for the title. Next is I will be choosing again what type of visualization I will be using. For now, I will use a clustered bar chart. And then same as earlier, we can edit or customize our report through the format icon here. Then we can adjust colors, remove on or off the title, the background, border, shadow, etc. We'll add the title here, add some text box again. And try 28 bold. Uh, uh, product, uh, of H and M to the oh, the zones of say zones 4. Mm. And that's it. Now we have the report of the preferred shipping mode of each zones in the USA. Thank you.
So here we go. First, click that and select the city and the sales. Yes. And adjust it, make it bigger, of course. So go to the editing here and just experiment first. What's good to add in the report. Yes. So we are going to adjust the title. We're going to change it of Sales by City of H&M. Yeah. And we're just gonna center it and make it bigger. And make the text bigger in the y-axis. And change it to Arial font to make it more elegant. So next is the line and stock column chart. Yeah, click that and select the city, the sales, and the subcategory. Yes, I adjust it to make it bigger and let's edit it. So I'm just experimenting here. So never mind it. Yan. Select the title and change it by Sales by City and subcategory of H&M. And center it and make the text bigger. Make it 21 and that's it. We're all done. That's it. The sales by city and subcategory of H&M and sales by city. Yeah, that's it.